Spain isn't just about vibrant cities, historic landmarks, and delicious tapas. It's also home to some of the most stunning natural wonders in the world. From breathtaking coastlines to awe-inspiring mountains, Spain has it all. Today, we're counting down the top 30 natural wonders in Spain you need to visit. So let's explore the lesser-known gems and the world-famous marvels of this beautiful country. We start our journey in the northwest of Spain with Las Medullas, a mesmerizing landscape shaped by ancient Roman engineering and ingenuity. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in the province of León, was once the largest gold mine in the Roman Empire. What makes Las Medullas so extraordinary is the way nature and history intertwine. Over 2 centuries, the Romans used an ingenious system of aqueducts and controlled water explosions to extract gold from the mountains, leaving behind a surreal terrain of jagged reddish cliffs, caves, and tunnels. Walking through Las Medullas is like stepping back in time, with trails such as the Senda Perimetal offering insights into the ancient mining techniques and stunning views of the surrounding area. Don't miss the Mirador de Orellana viewpoint, where you can gaze across the entire site and watch the golden cliffs glow in the sunlight. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a nature lover, Las Medullas provides a fascinating and photogenic experience that is not like in any other place. Located in the Catalan Pyrenees, Sant Maurici National Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. The park is famous for its stunning landscapes, featuring dramatic peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and lush forests. The centerpiece of the park is the Estany de Sant Maurici, a serene lake surrounded by rugged mountains like the iconic Motardo Peak. The pristine waters of the lake reflect the surrounding beauty, creating one of the most picturesque spots in all of Spain. Sant Maurici offers a variety of hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging mountain treks. The Reitera waterfall is a popular destination, with its cascading waters and scenic views of the valley below. The park is also home to a wide range of wildlife, including wild boar, red deer, and golden eagles. Visitors can explore the natural beauty of the park while learning about its diverse flora and fauna, making it an ideal place for anyone seeking an immersive outdoor experience. Nestled in the southeastern corner of Spain, Cabo de Gata Nahar Natural Park in Almeria is a stunning combination of volcanic cliffs, pristine beaches, and azure waters. Covering over 45,000 hectares, it's Spain's largest protected coastal area and one of the driest regions in Europe, giving it a desert-like feel. The volcanic origins of the park are evident in its rugged cliffs, black sand beaches, and jagged rock formations, which create a dramatic contrast against the bright blue Mediterranean Sea. Playa de los Muertos, with its crystal-clear waters and smooth pebble shore, is one of the park's most famous beaches and is perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The park is also a paradise for divers, as its underwater ecosystems teem with vibrant marine life. Hiking trails wind through the park, offering breathtaking views of the coastline and opportunities to spot native wildlife, including pink flamingos in the nearby salt flats. Cabo de Gata is also home to charming whitewashed villages like San Jose, where you can enjoy fresh seafood and immerse yourself in the local culture. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Cabo de Gata delivers on all fronts. Located on the volcanic island of Lanzarote in the Canary Islands, Timanfaya National Park is a spectacle of raw geological power and beauty. This unique landscape was shaped by massive volcanic eruptions in the 18th century, leaving behind a vast expanse of black lava fields, dramatic craters, and surreal rock formations. The park spans over 51 square kilometers and offers an otherworldly experience that feels like stepping onto the surface of Mars. One of the park's highlights is the Montañas del Fuego, or Fire Mountains, where you can witness geothermal demonstrations that showcase the intense heat still present beneath the ground. Guides will pour water into boreholes, causing steam to shoot out like a geyser, and dry brush bursts into flames when placed in the soil. The park's main access point is a guided bus tour along the Ruta de los Volcanes, which takes you through the most dramatic areas of the park. For a more immersive experience, consider a camel ride across the volcanic sands. And don't miss the El Diablo restaurant, where food is cooked using geothermal heat from the earth. With its jaw-dropping scenery and interactive experiences, Timanfaya National Park is a destination that will ignite your sense of wonder. Coming in at number 26, we have Las Salinas de Torrevieja, one of the most unique and colorful natural wonders in Spain. Located in the Alicante province, this stunning natural park is famous for its two large saltwater lagoons, one bright turquoise and the other an enchanting pink hue. The pink lagoon, known as Laguna Rosa, owes its distinctive color to microscopic algae and a high concentration of salt. It's a dreamlike destination that feels like a natural painting brought to life. The area is not only visually stunning, but also rich in biodiversity, with flamingos often seen wading in the shallow waters. Walking trails around the lagoons provide visitors with panoramic views of the shimmering waters and surrounding salt flats. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the salt-rich air and mineral mud are said to have therapeutic benefits, attracting health-conscious travelers from all over the world. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone looking for a relaxing retreat, Las Salinas de Torrevieja is an unmissable spot on Spain's natural landscape. Nestled in the Asturias region of northern Spain, Somiedo Natural Park is a haven of untouched beauty and thriving wildlife. Covering over 29,000 hectares, this UNESCO Biosphere Reserve is characterized by its lush valleys, glacial lakes, and rugged mountain peaks. The park is home to one of Europe's largest populations of Cantabrian brown bears, as well as wolves, deer, and golden eagles, making it a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Somiedo is also renowned for its branas, traditional pastoral settlements with unique thatched roof huts called tetos, which have been used by local shepherds for centuries. Hiking is the best way to experience the park's beauty, with trails leading to breathtaking viewpoints and hidden lakes such as Lake del Valle, a serene, glacial lake surrounded by verdant hills. Whether you're here to spot rare wildlife, learn about local culture, or soak in the tranquility of nature, Somiedo Natural Park is an unforgettable destination. At number 24, we have one of Spain's most unusual beaches, Playa de Gulpiuri. Located near the northern coast of Asturias, this tiny, hidden beach is completely landlocked, yet it connects to the Bay of Biscay through a series of underground tunnels. Measuring just 40 meters in length, Playa de Gulpiuri is often called the smallest beach in the world. What makes this natural wonder so captivating is its secluded setting, surrounded by lush green meadows and rocky cliffs. When the tide comes in, seawater flows through the tunnels, filling the beach with crystal clear water and gentle waves. Visitors often describe it as a magical place that feels like a secret oasis. Accessible only by foot, Playa de Gulpiuri offers a peaceful retreat away from the crowds, perfect for a quiet picnic or a moment of reflection. It's a must visit for those seeking something truly unique. The Green Cave is a fascinating volcanic tunnel system located on the island of Lanzarote. Formed over 5,000 years ago during the eruption of the Monte Corona volcano, this intricate network of underground passages and chambers stretches for nearly 7 kilometers, making it one of the longest volcanic caves in the world. A guided tour through the caves reveals their striking features, including dramatic stalactites, lava formations, and the interplay of light and shadow that creates an almost ethereal atmosphere. One of the cave's highlights is a mysterious optical illusion that leaves visitors in awe. Don't worry, we won't spoil the surprise. Historically, the cave served as a refuge for islanders during pirate raids, adding a layer of cultural significance to their natural beauty. Today, the Green Cave is a testament to Lanzarote's volcanic origins and an unmissable experience for adventurers and history buffs alike. The Covadonga Lakes, nestled in the Picos de Europa National Park in Asturias, is a postcard-perfect destination that captures the essence of Spain's rugged beauty. These glacial lakes Enol and Ursina are surrounded by dramatic mountain peaks, rolling green pastures, and grazing cows, creating a serene and idyllic setting. Reaching the lakes involves a scenic drive or hike through the national park, with plenty of stops along the way to take in panoramic views. Once there, visitors can enjoy well-marked trails that loop around the lakes, providing stunning perspectives at every turn. The nearby sanctuary of Covadonga, a historic pilgrimage site, adds a touch of spirituality to the experience. Whether you're there for hiking, photography, or simply to breathe in the fresh mountain air, Covadonga Lake is a place where nature's beauty truly shines. Number 21 takes us to Fuente de in Spain. This small village in the Cantabria region is famous for its cable car, which whisks visitors 753 meters up into the heart of the mountains in just a few minutes. As you ascend, you're treated to jaw-dropping views of rugged peaks, lush valleys, and dense forests that stretch as far as the eye can see. Once at the top, the Mirador Cable Viewpoint offers a panoramic vista that will leave you speechless. From here, you can embark on several hiking trails, ranging from leisurely walks to challenging treks for seasoned adventurers. Whether you're hiking, birdwatching, or simply soaking in the scenery, Fuente de offers an unforgettable escape into nature. On the island of Tenerife, in the Canary Islands, the majestic Los Gigantes cliffs rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, earning their name, which translates to the Giants. These towering rock walls reach heights of up to 800 meters and form an awe-inspiring backdrop to the turquoise waters below. The best way to experience Los Gigantes is by boat, where you can marvel at their sheer scale and even spot marine life like dolphins and whales in the surrounding waters. For adventurous souls, kayaking along the cliffs offers a more intimate perspective of this natural wonder. The nearby black sand beaches and charming town of Los Gigantes provide plenty of opportunities to relax and enjoy the views. Whether you're gazing at them from the shore, exploring the waters, or enjoying a sunset cruise, Los Gigantes is a must-visit destination for lovers of dramatic landscapes. Deep in the forests of Soria lies the mysterious Black Lagoon, a place steeped in natural beauty and local legend. Surrounded by towering pines and granite cliffs, this glacial lake is named for its dark, reflective waters that create an almost mirror-like surface. Local folklore adds an air of mystery, with tales of bottomless depths and mythical creatures. The hiking trails around Black Lagoon are a nature lover's dream, offering stunning views of the lake and surrounding landscapes. During winter, the area transforms into a snowy wonderland, while in autumn, the vibrant foliage creates a kaleidoscope of colors. Whether you're there to hike, picnic, or simply marvel at its tranquil beauty, Black Lagoon is a hidden gem that showcases Spain's enchanting wilderness. Known as Europe's only desert, the Tabernas Desert in Almeria is a unique landscape of rolling dunes, rocky outcrops, and sparse vegetation. This arid region has a cinematic history, serving as the backdrop for countless Western films, including The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Walking through Tabernas, you might feel like a cowboy on a grand adventure. Beyond its film history, the desert offers hiking trails that reveal its stark beauty and surprising biodiversity. Despite its dry appearance, the desert supports a variety of plants and animals, including rare birds of prey. You can also visit OC's Mini Hollywood, a themed park where you can step into a recreated Wild West town. The Tabernas Desert is a captivating blend of natural wonder and cinematic charm, making it a one-of-a-kind destination. In Huelva, southern Spain, the Rio Tinto flows like a river from another planet. Its vivid red and orange hues, caused by the high concentration of iron and other minerals in the water, create a surreal and striking landscape. The river has been mined for thousands of years, and its alien-like appearance has even attracted the attention of NASA researchers studying extreme environments. Walking along the riverbanks, you'll encounter a world of vibrant colors and fascinating geological formations. Nearby, the Rio Tinto Mining Museum offers insights into the area's history and significance. Despite its acidic waters, the Rio Tinto is a living ecosystem, home to microorganisms that thrive in its extreme conditions. This unique natural wonder is a must-see for those fascinated by science, geology, and out-of-this-world scenery. Located in the province of Alicante in southeastern Spain, the River Vinalopó is a hidden gem for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Known for its lush riverbanks and crystal-clear waters, the river flows through the stunning Caves of Canalobre, a spectacular underground system of caves. The Canalobre Caves are one of the most impressive natural wonders in Spain, with vast chambers and towering stalactites and stalagmites, some of which have been formed over millions of years. The caves were discovered in the 16th century and are now a popular tourist attraction where you can take a guided tour to learn about their fascinating history and geology. Above ground, the surrounding area along the river offers hiking trails, scenic viewpoints, and opportunities for outdoor activities such as canoeing and birdwatching. The contrast between the peaceful river and the awe-inspiring caves makes this a truly unique destination. Nestled in the heart of the Pyrenees, Ordesa and Monte Perdido National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Spain's most spectacular natural destinations. The park is dominated by Monte Perdido, the third highest peak in the Pyrenees, at 3,355 meters. Its rugged cliffs, glacial valleys, and dense forests create a dreamlike setting that draws hikers and nature lovers from around the world. One of the park's highlights is the Ordesa Valley, a dramatic, U-shaped glacial valley surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and cascading waterfalls. The Cola de Caballo waterfall, reached via a scenic hiking trail, is a must-see. Wildlife enthusiasts will be thrilled to spot marmots, golden eagles, and even the elusive Pyrenees chamois. Whether you're hiking the challenging Faja de las Flores trail or enjoying a leisurely walk through the valley, Ordesa and Monte Perdido National Park offer an unforgettable immersion into the raw beauty of the Pyrenees. On the island of La Gomera in the Canary Islands lies Garahone National Park, a magical realm of ancient laurel forests and misty peaks. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is named after the legendary lovers Gara and Jone, whose tragic tale adds a romantic allure to the park. The forests, often shrouded in a mystical fog, are remnants of the subtropical vegetation that once covered much of southern Europe. Hiking through Garahone feels like stepping into a fantasy world. The trails wind through moss-covered trees, babbling streams, and dramatic viewpoints, including the Alto de Garahone, the park's highest point. From here, you can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the island, and even glimpse neighboring islands on clear days. Garahone's serene and otherworldly beauty makes it a must-visit for anyone exploring the Canary Islands. Known as the Galician Caribbean, the Seas Islands off the coast of Galicia are a pristine paradise of white sand beaches, crystal-clear waters, and unspoiled nature. This archipelago, part of the Atlantic Islands of Galicia National Park, is a haven for beach lovers, hikers, and birdwatchers. The islands are car-free, preserving their tranquil atmosphere and allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the natural surroundings. The most famous beach, Praia de Rodas, has been hailed as one of the most beautiful in the world. Beyond the beaches, hiking trails lead to spectacular viewpoints like Faro de Seas, a lighthouse offering panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. The islands are also home to diverse wildlife, including colonies of seabirds and playful dolphins that often accompany ferries. Whether you're lounging on the beach, snorkeling in the turquoise waters, or exploring the trails, the Seas Islands offer a slice of paradise. The Torcal of Antequera, located in Andalusia, is a surreal landscape of limestone rock formations that have been sculpted by wind and water over millions of years. This natural park is a geological wonder, with towering stone pillars, deep fissures, and labyrinth-like pathways that create an otherworldly atmosphere. Visitors can explore the park via several well-marked trails, each offering unique perspectives of the formations. The green route, a short but scenic walk, is ideal for families, while the longer orange route provides a more challenging trek with stunning panoramic views. Keep an eye out for wildlife, including mountain goats and griffon vultures, which are often seen soaring above the cliffs. El Torcal's unique landscape has made it a favorite destination for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. Tucked away in southern Spain, the Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park is a lush oasis of limestone mountains, dense forests, and vibrant wildflowers. It's one of the rainiest places in Spain, which has resulted in a unique ecosystem teeming with life. The park is also famous for its extensive network of caves, including the Cueva del Gato, which features a crystal-clear pool at its entrance. Hiking trails lead visitors through breathtaking landscapes, from dramatic gorges like Garganta Verde to the summit of El Torreon, the park's highest peak. Along the way, you might encounter herds of grazing sheep, rare birds like the Egyptian vulture, and picturesque white villages such as Grazalema itself. With its stunning scenery and rich biodiversity, Sierra de Grazalema is a nature lover's paradise. Located near Barcelona, Montseny Natural Park is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and a treasure trove of diverse landscapes, from Mediterranean forests to alpine meadows. The park's highest peak, Turó de l'Home, offers spectacular views of the surrounding countryside and the distant Pyrenees. Montseny is particularly famous for its autumn foliage when the forests burst into vibrant shades of red, orange, and gold. The park's trails cater to all levels, from leisurely walks to challenging ascents. Along the way, you'll discover crystal-clear streams, ancient dolmens, and traditional Catalan farmhouses. Montseny proximity to Barcelona makes it a peaceful nature retreat for city dwellers seeking a peaceful nature retreat. The majestic Picos de Europa National Park, located in northern Spain, is a rugged paradise of limestone peaks, deep gorges, and verdant valleys. As one of Spain's first national parks, it boasts some of the country's most dramatic mountain scenery. The towering peaks, such as Naranjo de Bulnes, are a dream for climbers, while the lush meadows and glacial lakes are a vocabulary escape for hikers. One of the park's most famous attractions is the Covadonga Lakes, a pair of glacial lakes surrounded by rolling green hills and grazing cattle. For thrill seekers, the Cares Gorge Trail provides an unforgettable adventure, weaving along narrow paths carved into the cliffs with the rushing river far below. Wildlife enthusiasts may spot Cantabrian brown bears, wolves, or golden eagles. Picos de Europa combines jaw-dropping landscapes with an untouched wild charm that feels like stepping into a different world. Next, we journey to the island of Tenerife in the Canary Islands, where Teide National Park offers a jaw-dropping volcanic landscape that feels like it's from another world. Dominating the park is Mount Teide, Spain's highest peak, at 3,718 meters. It's also one of the world's largest volcanoes and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore a variety of hiking trails that weave through lava fields, craters, and bizarre rock formations like the famous Roque Cinchado. For a truly unforgettable experience, take the cable car up Mount Teide and enjoy sweeping views of the surrounding islands. The park is also an internationally recognized stargazing site with crystal-clear skies that make it ideal for observing constellations. Teide National Park is a testament to the raw power of nature and a must-see for adventurers and astronomy enthusiasts alike. Just outside Valencia, the Albufera Lagoon is a tranquil haven that showcases Spain's rich wetlands. This shallow freshwater lagoon is surrounded by rice paddies, picturesque villages, and lush vegetation, creating a serene environment that feels worlds away from the bustling city nearby. The lagoon is famous as the birthplace of paella, and local restaurants serve some of the most authentic versions of this iconic dish. Take a traditional boat ride across the calm waters to witness stunning sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. The area is also a birdwatcher's dream, with herons, egrets, and flamingos making frequent appearances. A visit to Albufera offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and culinary delight. The Pyrenees are home to hundreds of glacial lakes, each more enchanting than the last. These sapphire gems, often surrounded by towering peaks and verdant meadows, create some of the most picturesque landscapes in Spain. Lakes like Ibán de Anayet and Estany de Sant Maurici are popular with hikers seeking pristine alpine scenery. The glacial lakes are not only visually stunning, but also vital ecosystems for rare plant and animal species. Many trails lead to these hidden wonders, offering opportunities for both seasoned hikers and casual visitors. In winter, the snow-covered surroundings transform the area into a magical wonderland. The Pyrenees glacial lakes are a testament to nature's artistry and a must-visit for those who crave tranquility and beauty. Perched on a rocky islet off the Basque coast, Gaztelugatix is one of Spain's most dramatic and iconic natural wonders. Connected to the mainland by a winding stone bridge, this unique location is crowned by a small hermitage dedicated to Saint John the Baptist. The name Gaztelugatix translates to Castle Rock, and it's easy to see why. It feels like something out of a fantasy novel. Reaching the hermitage requires climbing 241 steps, but the effort is rewarded with breathtaking views of the rugged coastline and crashing waves below. The area is also steeped in history and legend, with tales of pirates and ancient rituals adding to its mystique. Gaztelugatix has gained global fame as a filming location for Game of Thrones, but its natural beauty stands on its own as a must-visit destination. Located in the southeast of Navarre, the desert of Bardenes Realis is an astonishing landscape that seems to stretch endlessly into the horizon. This semi-desert area, characterized by arid plains, rugged plateaus, and bizarre rock formations, is often compared to the landscapes of the American West. It's a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and a favorite among photographers, nature lovers, and film producers. The distinctive Badlands formations, shaped by erosion, give the desert a surreal, almost lunar feel. The Cabezo de Castil de Tierra, a natural chimney-like formation, is perhaps the most iconic feature of the park and a popular spot for photography. Bardenes Realis is also home to a variety of wildlife, including wild boars, red partridges, and the occasional golden eagle. Exploring the park on foot or by bike allows visitors to appreciate its raw beauty and isolation. Whether you're trekking through the desert or simply taking in the views, Jardines Reales offers a uniquely Spanish experience that's unlike anywhere else. Nestled in the heart of Extremadura, Monfragüe National Park is a haven for wildlife lovers and one of the most biodiverse areas in Spain. The park's rolling hills, dramatic cliffs, and dense Mediterranean forests are a sanctuary for rare species like the Iberian lynx and the Spanish imperial eagle. Monfragüe is especially famous for its birdwatching opportunities, as it's home to one of Europe's largest colonies of griffon vultures. The park is also steeped in history, with ancient cave paintings in the Castillo de Monfragüe area and remnants of medieval fortresses scattered throughout the landscape. Visitors can hike the many trails that wind through the park, each offering breathtaking views of the rugged terrain and the Tajo and Tietar rivers below. Whether you're captivated by the sight of vultures soaring majestically overhead or soaking in the tranquility of the Tajo and Tietar rivers, Monfragüe National Park perfectly embodies Spain's rich and untamed natural beauty. The Altamira Caves in Cantabria are not only a natural wonder, but also a cultural treasure. These caves are famous for their prehistoric paintings, which date back over 30,000 years. The artwork, depicting bison, deer, and handprints, is some of the best preserved evidence of early human creativity. Although the original cave is closed to protect its delicate environment, visitors can explore a meticulously recreated replica at the nearby museum. Walking through these ancient halls is a humbling experience, connecting you with the distant past. The cave's natural limestone formations add another layer of beauty to this awe-inspiring sight. Finally, at number 1, we arrive at the crown jewel of Spain's natural and cultural wonders, the Alhambra and Generalife Gardens in Granada. While primarily known as a historic palace complex, the Alhambra is surrounded by breathtaking gardens and framed by the Sierra Nevada mountains, creating a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human artistry. The General Life Gardens are an oasis of serenity, with lush hedges, vibrant flowers, and tranquil fountains that embody the Moorish concept of paradise. The views of Granada and the surrounding landscapes from the Alhambra's terraces are nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're exploring the intricate palace interiors or strolling through the gardens, the Alhambra is a timeless masterpiece that captures the soul of Spain. And that's a wrap on the top 30 natural wonders in Spain you need to visit. From breathtaking cliffs to serene lakes, Spain is full of natural beauty waiting to be explored. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching.